Okay guys, so this is gonna be part one. Making this lawnmower into a go-kart. I got the axle. We're gonna do an unboxing real quick and take some more stuff off for this project. If you can tell, I got most of the stuff off. Yeah, so I wanted to apologize that I got most of the stuff off already. The engine and the deck, back fenders, but today we're going to do an unboxing for you guys. So here we go. So here's one of them. It's just a cap for the back axle. Here's the axle itself. Kind of big. There's that. Bubble wrap. Okay. Got the brakes, back brake, assembly. Just leave that right there. What's this here? So here's the sprocket. Cool. It's pretty nice. It has like a glimmer to it. It has like a shine to it, you know? That's nice. It is a 428 37 tooth. 37 tooth. We might be replacing this actually. Because I have a 420 chain and I don't know if that's going to fit. So there's that. And then here's the brake disc and the pillow block bearings. So I got one of these guys first. Here's one of the bearings. It's pretty small, to be honest. I thought they would be a lot beefier. I thought. And then this is the brake disc. There's that side, and then that side. And then then we got one more item in here, I think. Oh. Here's the cap for the back axle. The last two things are right here. So these are the axle. Axle hub for the wheels. Okay. Got two of them. And then we also have hardware that goes with this too. This got a hardware, castle nuts, and looks like an M10 bolts. So, okay, let's start tearing this more apart now. Oh, I just ordered today a jack shaft kit. So you guys see that next Tuesday it's supposed to come. So stay tuned on that. Just gonna put this stuff off to the side. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so we're gonna take this back axle off and then hopefully see what we do next, hopefully. So leave a comment below if you like this build. And hit the subscribe button too. I really appreciate it. That one fits. Yeah, so I got this humongous cherry pickle from my neighbor. I'll show it to you real quick. Might as well. So the wheels on it are really in bad shape. They're deflated. That one's completely off. And then have a hydraulic jack for it, so I also got these cinder blocks because I don't want the fucking thing falling on me. It's a hot one today too. It's October 5th. October 5th, and it's about like 80 degrees right now. So it's pretty nice out. Okay guys, so it looks like I'm gonna have to grind this one off. Got this grindle. That. Come handy dandy. Okay. There's that. Okay, so this is gonna be it for this episode. Stay tuned and subscribe and hit the bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.